Ukraine has reached a remarkable achievement in its defense manufacturing sector, significantly ramping up its artillery production in 2024. According to President Volodymyr Zelensky, the country successfully produced over 150 artillery systems within a year, demonstrating a rapid expansion of its military-industrial capabilities. This surge in production not only strengthens Ukraine's defense but also positions it as a key player in modern artillery manufacturing, even surpassing the combined efforts of NATO countries over the past year. One of the most notable artillery pieces emerging from Ukraine's growing defense industry is the Tu-22 Bohdana, a self-propelled howitzer that offers superior mobility and firepower on the battlefield. This system, designed to enhance Ukraine's artillery capabilities, has become a crucial component of the country's ongoing military efforts. During a press conference, President Zelensky disclosed that Ukraine had manufactured a total of 154 artillery systems in 2024, with expectations for even higher production numbers in the following year. While specific details regarding the types of weaponry included in this figure were not disclosed, military analysts believe a substantial portion consists of the Tu-22 Bohdana, a 155mm wheeled self-propelled howitzer developed domestically. Reports suggest that by October 2023, Ukraine had achieved a production rate of approximately 20 units per month, marking a substantial acceleration in manufacturing output. Though independent confirmation of these figures remains challenging, the reported numbers indicate a growing capability within Ukraine's defense sector. Additionally, the development of a towed version of the Bohdana expands Ukraine's artillery options, further enhancing its battlefield flexibility. Ukraine's defense industry has not solely focused on artillery systems. In addition to producing advanced howitzers, the country has made significant strides in unmanned aerial technology. President Zelensky announced that Ukraine had manufactured around 2.2 million FPV first-person view drones, along with approximately 100,000 long-range drones. This increase in drone production represents a major technological advancement, strengthening Ukraine's reconnaissance and strike capabilities in modern warfare. The Tu-22 Bohdana, first introduced into service in 2022, plays a crucial role in Ukraine's ground forces. Mounted on a MAZ chassis, this self-propelled howitzer was developed between 2015 and 2018 at the Kramatorsk heavy machine tool plant, with production commencing in 2018. As of now, over 30 units have been built, each costing an estimated €3 million. Weighing approximately 28 tons, the Bohdana can achieve speeds of up to 80 km per hour on paved roads, ensuring rapid deployment across various terrains. It boasts an operational range of 800 km on roads and 300 km off-road, making it highly adaptable for different combat scenarios. Its primary armament, a 155mm howitzer, allows it to strike targets at distances between 42 and 60 km, with a firing rate of up to 5 rounds per minute. The system is designed for a 5-person crew, balancing efficiency with firepower. The Bohdana exemplifies Ukraine's progress in artillery development, proving that despite ongoing challenges, the country continues to enhance its military capabilities with modern and effective systems. Ukraine's advancements in defense manufacturing have attracted international backing, with Denmark emerging as a key partner. The Danish government funded the acquisition of 18 Tu-22 Bohdana howitzers, which have since been delivered to Ukrainian forces as part of a strategic initiative. Encouraged by the success of this program, Danish Defense Minister Troels Lund Poulsen confirmed plans to deepen military procurement ties between the two nations, with agreements valued at approximately 4.2 billion DKK, £480 million. The development and production of the Tu-22 Bohdana reflect a collaborative effort between several Ukrainian defense entities, including the National Association of Ukrainian Defense Industries, the Kramatorsk heavy machine tool plant, and Ukrainian Armor. This cooperation underscores Ukraine's growing role in the global defense market, demonstrating its ability to develop and produce advanced military equipment despite wartime constraints. As Ukraine continues to expand its defense production, the country solidifies its position as an emerging leader in modern artillery and drone warfare, ensuring its armed forces remain equipped with cutting-edge technology to meet contemporary battlefield challenges.